Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the Tpms on your Chrysler 300. First, confirm that all 4 tires are inflated to the correct pressure, which you can usually find on a sticker inside your driver's side door. Next, take your Chrysler 300 for a drive. You'll want to maintain a speed above 15 miles per hour for at least 10 minutes. This allows the tire pressure monitoring system, sensors, to properly recalibrate and transmit accurate data to your vehicle's computer. If the light remains on after driving, your Chrysler 300 might have a manual reset button. Check under the steering column, in the glove box, or near the fuse panel for a small button labeled TPMS or a similar icon. With the ignition in the on position but the engine off, press and hold this button. You should see the TPMS warning light flash 3 times, indicating the reset process has begun. Then, release the button. Following a manual reset, it's crucial to drive your Chrysler 300 once more. Aim for another 10 to 20 minutes of driving at a consistent speed above 15 miles per hour. This extended drive allows the system to complete its learning cycle and confirm the new tire pressure values. If the TPMS light still stays illuminated after these steps, it could indicate a faulty sensor or a more complex issue that might require a visit to a service center for diagnosis. If the TPMS light continues to bother you, first visually inspect all your tires for any obvious damage or slow leaks. Sometimes, a small puncture or a loose valve stem can be the culprit. If everything looks fine, it's wise to have a professional technician scan your vehicle's system. They can identify specific sensor issues or other underlying problems. Also, for all you avid readers, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.